Amber from Indie Arts Creations. Thank you for joining me. If you're new, welcome to my channel. And if you're returning, I appreciate your continued support. Today I'm going to do a flip and drag. I'm not sure if I've ever really did one for the channel. I'm sure I've done one before. And actually these are some used paints. I mixed the paints off camera only because they were old paints and I needed to kind of like mix them up a little bit. Then I wanted to make sure that when I mixed them that there weren't any clumps or lumps because they had been sitting for a little while. I had posted a painting today to Facebook and I got a nice response. So I thank everyone for that. And I just wanted to address a couple of questions that people were asking me just so that you know. So the questions were, are the paintings for sale? So yes, the paintings are for sale and the prices vary depending on size, paint, different things. And then the other question was, do I offer classes? So yes, I do offer classes. So during this time, we could definitely set up a Zoom if you wanted to, or we can wait until everyone is off of quarantine and feels comfortable coming out, and I can share some information as to where the class will be. So again, I'm doing a flip cup. So I had some blue. I had a cup that was a mix where, you know, I layered the cup and by the time I stirred it up, it looks like it's a purple, and then I have aqua green. And then I had some pink and I put yellow in it for some reason. So I'm just going to flip these. I'm going to drag them a little and we'll see how it goes. So here's our first one. Ooh. So I will drag. And so I'm thinking any negative space. I'm thinking black to kind of contrast the colors. I don't know that I want white, but I have both, so I guess I'll just figure it out. And that's that. So now I will tilt and we'll see what we come up with. Into the summer month, what I'm going to have to be careful of is temperature. My place is always cool so that the paints don't crack. Well, no. Okay, so that you can see what I'm doing, I'm going to try to take that off the edge a little bit. I want to try to bring it back. I'm not sure how much I'll be able to bring it back though. Yellow and pink back just a little bit. That will get it that much back. So that's that. I had wanted to try to bring it back and bring it, but it's just not going to do. And I'm totally fine with leaving that up there. I think white is going to be the color we might need to use. Um, Try to get some of these air bubbles out. Doesn't look like any cells are going to come up. All right, so I'm going to take it down. I'll do the white off camera and clean up the edges, and I'll bring you in for a close up. Hello, here we are for the close up, starting in the left top corner. We're gonna go right, then down, then right to left at the bottom. So I really like the way this piece came out. It's funny, colors, you just have to play with colors. I didn't really have any reservations with adding that yellow in there, and it doesn't even, so it was yellow and pink. I layered both of the cups, and now it looks like a pink, orangey, maybe some little yellow. I'll bring it out so that you can see the whole painting. There it is, and then we'll come back. I thank you for your support. Please like, share, subscribe, leave comments. If you're subscribing, please hit the notification bell and select all so that so that you receive future paintings or videos. And until we meet again, cheers to painting.